Hey everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's Joe Jaguar. For you guys that are wondering why do I call myself that, well, if you look at my name, Joe Aguiar, put a J in front of the last name, you got Jaguar. Second is license plate. That's kind of cool. Joe Jaguar. No one can have that but me, and it was on a Jaguar. And got a Jaguar jacket. That's kind of neat. And finally, come back in the frame. Lastly was when I was in a band in my youth, that was my nickname or stage name. I've had that name since I was 17, so that's why it's Joe Jaguar. Now you know. Anyway, what is this? Let's talk about it. This would be considered a serious beginning telescope. This is a Celestron 4-inch f9.8 refractor. This is an achromat, so it's a doublet, and it's sitting on an EQ2 type of mount. Now, I was going to try to put that on a camera tripod. It was just shaky. It was too shaky, so I didn't like it. I also had some slow motion controls that you can put on a camera tripod because most camera tripods in the $20 to even $100 range, they only have like a pan head. When you're looking at something close up, it's not enough. You need like micro adjustments, and they don't have it. So, but unfortunately, either with the scope on the tripod and on the slow motion controls, it was just way too unstable, and it was just way too shaky, and I can't sell it like that. So anyway, you're getting a 4-inch refractor. It's almost f10, so it's going to have minimal false color. Comes with a red dot finder, which is great to get started for most new people versus like a 5x24 finder or even a 6x30 finder. Comes with this one, comes with a 2-inch focuser. Most refractors in the smaller ones are always going to be 1.25" focuser, except for the maybe more expensive ones. But anyway, on this one you're getting a 2-inch focuser, so you can put a 2-inch diagonal and 2-inch eyepiece if you choose. And that's it. So, but at least you start with a 2-inch focuser. The EQ2 is pretty rock solid on this guy, and it's also pretty lightweight. You could probably carry the whole thing down if you live in an apartment, condo, high-rise type of thing. And a 4-inch is a good size. As one of my videos I explained, a good starting telescope in the refractors is 80 to 90 millimeters. This one is 102 millimeters, so it's a 4-inch refractor. That's even better. So to view the planets will be a little bit bigger, brighter. You can push the magnification a little bit more. So that's about it. Just wanted to give you guys a rundown of this guy. It does come with slow motion controls, as you can see, moving this guy. So when you're at high power, you can manually track as the planet moves across the field of view. You could also put a motor drive here, and then it will follow it. You don't even have to touch it, rarely. So here it goes. So that's what a Nextar 102, almost an F10, looks like. A great, serious beginner telescope, almost in the range of intermediate range on this size. So if you're interested in the planets, the sun, the moon, remember the sun, you need a solar filter, sun filter. Double stars, a few of the clusters will come in as well in this size. So check it out. Thanks.